Let's talk about the radial nerve, specifically radial nerve flossing. Now we have covered what nerve flossing was in the previous video coming up somewhere in this box next to me, but let's just have a quick recap what nerve flossing is. Nerve flossing is moving the nerve from one point to another in order to mobilize the nerve from the tissue that's surrounding it and compressing on top of it. This can cause symptoms like tingling, numbness, weakness in your grip, for example, and pain going down your arm. So in order to floss the radial nerve, we need to know where it's running. Picture this. The nerve is running in these 4 fingers into the hand, going into the snuff box here on the side, and crossing towards the outside here of the elbow. So if it's in this position, the nerve will run like this, and if you twist it over, it's going to cross over. So in the nerve floss, we want to flex the wrist this way and also rotate the lower arm in this position. So we're getting a stretch towards the fingers in this case. Now the nerve runs from the outside of the elbow, underneath the triceps, and going into the armpit, under the clavicle, into the neck towards the spinal cord. So the next position we want to take is going backwards. So this would be a good starting position for the nerve floss. Now if we want to test the radial nerve, we move the head opposite of the hand. So now we're actually pulling towards the head and we're pulling towards the hand. And if there's some form of entrapment up here, shoulder, elbow, or wrist, you'll start feeling the symptoms come up. Now we don't want to stretch the nerve, we want to floss it. So in this case, I want to move my head towards my hand. So now there's room for the nerve to move towards the wrist as well. And so if I want to floss it, I will move my head opposite, but my wrist will come in. So now there's movement from the wrist upwards to the spinal cord. And this is how we floss the radial nerve. I hope you found value in this video. If you don't want to miss any other video on this topic or elbow-related complaints, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.